Hey everyone, friends! Welcome to the Weiler channel. Today, I'll show how to download and install Dolby Atmos on Windows 10 and 11. Let's go to the Play Store. Search for Dolby Access, then click Get. After that, open the program. There. Here we have products. Yes, we can use it free for headphones for 7 days and install theater mode. Here are the settings too. After setup, don't forget to use device management and select Dolby Atmos in sound settings. Right here. That's all, folks. This has been Weiler. See you later, everyone.